Scott, this is Jordan Krizik. I just got done watching your in-service presentation. I just want to say thank you for sharing your presentation with the class. Your presentation is very easy to follow, and you explained some great points. One point that I enjoyed was your stance on implementing teacher training for technology use. I feel our school is very slow to show teachers how to use a particular resource. There are often times when the teachers have to find time to go through all of the steps before implementing the resources to the students. This takes more time for the teachers to lesson plan and could be more beneficial for all the teachers if this is done during an in-service. In the future, I would look to bring in someone to teach us about the resources, or as an administrator, I can learn the resource for myself and then I can educate the teachers on that resource. Also, Scott, you were also very in depth with the formative and summative assessment slides, and it was easy to understand your points. So I just want to say thank you again for sharing. Again, very easy to listen to. Thanks.